Good morning, students. As you know, tomorrow is Republic Day. Do you all know? कल की है Republic Day. Okay. So Rajandeep is going to speak a topic on the same. You have to listen to it carefully because immediately after the topic there will be quiz. ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ 3-4 क्वेश्चन पूछे जाएंगे टॉपिक चो ध्यान ना सुनना. Okay. So listen to it carefully.
Good morning everyone. I am Rajandeep Singh. My topic is Republic Day. Republic Day Gantantra Divas is celebrated every year on January 26 to commemorate the Constitution of India, which officially came into force in 1950. The Constitution of India is the longest written constitution in the world, which was drafted by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The military parade at Rajpath displays the strength of the country. This parade is over by the President of India. The main aim of the parade is to pay tribute to the martyrs who have sacrificed their life for the country. The Republic Day parade starts from Rashtrapati Bhavan. The President of India takes the salute. Thank you.
Students, have you heard it? Now we'll start the quiz. The first question is, what do we call Republic Day in Hindi? Answer was within the text only. I'm asking you, what do we call Republic Day in Hindi? हिंदी च रिपब्लिक डे नु की किया जाता है? बहुत सौखा जो आंसर है. Any student can come and speak. Hurry up. We should always try. बच्चे गलत हो गए सही हो गए ट्राई करना चाहिए. Come on, fast suggestion. Okay, let's clap for Darshan. It's Gantantra Divas. Very good, बच्चे. Clap for these children. So हिंदी छपा रिपब्लिक डे नु की बोलते हैं गणतंत्र दिवस. Okay. Second question is, who drafted the Indian Constitution? Who drafted Constitution of India? ਇਹਦਾ आंसर भी राजा ने बोले है. It's a general knowledge question. Who drafted the Constitution of India? भारत देश संविधान ਨੂੰ किसने ड्राफ्ट किया, किसने फ्रेम किया? Anyone? हाँ जी इधरों.
Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
Okay, clap for Rajan. That's why I told you to listen to the text carefully. ताकि मैं क्या सी ध्यान ਨਾਲ ਸੁਣਿਆ because questions ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਹੀ ਪੁੱਛੇ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ हैं. Next question is, when did the Constitution of India adopt? On which date, in which year, the Constitution of India was adopted? Very simple answer. Logically भी अपन लगा सकते हैं हिसाब किताब. गलत हो या सही, we should always try. जरूर करना चाहिए. Senior classes. आज की डेट है. कल की तारीख होएगी. रिपब्लिक डे अपन कल मनाना ना. तो कल की डेट है. It's 26 January and the year was 1950. Okay. Okay. From where does the parade start? In Delhi. From where does the parade start in Delhi? दिल्ली च किस जगह तो परेड स्टार्ट होती है? No one? Okay, good try. The exact answer is right. Answer is Rashtrapati Bhavan. But clap for that child. At least we try किया. Okay, that's all for today. Now you know that today is National Water Day also.